Here, in the islands of Tahiti, we believe our culture is welcoming to all. But what do LGBTQI people think? We invited two couples and two friends from the community to put us to the test.
Oftentimes we have to do our research beforehand to determine whether or not it's a safe space.
It is just easier just not to show that we're a couple. It's safer as well, so we don't really show it.
We're so scared. My passport is as a woman, but I look like a man, so I worry about that.
We are aware that we can be in trouble if we have a different behavior, so we act like friends.
The local people of Tahiti were so surprisingly, genuinely friendly. It didn't feel forced. It didn't feel like they were just trying to, just work and this was their job.
You can be yourself here, enjoy, love, and be what you are without to hide something in your attitude or the way you talk. So it's freedom to be yourself.
In the market, many people smiling. No one care about gender. I feel so comfortable.
There is something unique here, the way people welcoming you with a big smile. They do everything they can to put some light in your stay.
When we went to the bar for the gay night, as soon as we got there, we felt welcomed.
There are so many interesting queer people here.
Big emotions, and I will probably cry when I will leave Tahiti.
We're going to be talking about this for the rest of our life.
Everyone will feel treasured in the islands of Tahiti.